Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add captions or subtitles to your video and basically generate them. Now I will use a random TikTok video which already has captions, but I'm just going to show you how easy it is to generate those captions and edit them to, for example, bold and outlined version. So this is just a TikTok video by this creator from the movie Dune, and now what you want to do is actually click text, and now you will see auto captions right there. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna generate. Now while it's generating, if you want some fonts which are not here, then I would suggest you to search for free non-licensed fonts on Google. So now we have our captions. You can edit them however you like. Maybe there are some words which shouldn't be there, but basically you can edit your captions right here. And now the style, let's choose a font. You can actually choose from these ones. If you have a pro Capcut, then there's a template like this one, for example. This is just for pro version, but you can choose this one, and for the free version there's only those fonts, but basically that's how you can change it. There's a sizing, opacity, some strokes. For example, you can make it more bolder and add a glow if you want to. Now the background can also be like this. There's some shadow and some curves. And the case, of course. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you can edit and add your fonts, subtitles, and captions on Capcut. And yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.